When I first joined Bosch Car Service as a service advisor, my goals were pretty simple: master my craft and build a reputation for myself. Although I knew I wasn't there to be average, I had not envisioned running a branch within the RMS Automotive Group. I think it was moving from doing the work to owning the results. When things did go wrong, hiding behind effort, but rather the shift in mindset to owning up to all of my actions is what helped me push through those challenges in a high pressured environment with a high caliber client base. Oh, it felt great because it wasn't something that was given, but rather something that was earned over time through hard work, through pressure, learning, and it did come as a full circle moment for me because my recruitment did start here at Bosch KZN Repair Center, and now I find myself sitting at the highest seat. So my mindset has shifted from focusing on tasks to focusing on people, systems, results. To anyone thinking of joining RMS Automotive Group, I'd say this: the environment will push you. The environment rewards hard work, but if you're willing to take responsibility and ownership, you will go far with RMS Automotive Group. The growth factor is very imminent. Hi, my name is Tando Melusi Mkize, and I am from the RMS Automotive Group, where we service with integrity, quality, and care.